My. Another poke in the eye. So, I got to say, really, that this one's overdone also. Powell had said that they may step up their asset purchases. They said they're going to have the conversation at the next meeting. And it's nothing that he didn't say in the minutes or the previous statement that he put out. He said that they may consider stepping it up a little bit. I think everybody, looking at COVID and everything, everybody kind of figured he would ease off of the asset purchases. But he said that that may be a better defense because he's worried about chain slowdowns. But these are all variables. And I mean, looking at this variant, Omicron, it doesn't even appear to be that severe. Everybody that they're picking up so far has minor symptoms, and at least that's what I've read. I haven't read anything to the contrary. So, I mean, I'm still all about buying the dips right here. And hold on one sec.
You got these for free.
Something's
For the G.
Okay. So this is an ugly bar. We still have about a half hour left to the day, but this is a pretty strong bar. That's a pretty strong move down right there. I don't really see anything turning it around. Looking at the 60 minute, the 60 minutes coming off, but this is a bear flag that's triggering on the 60 minute right now. So we're just going to have to see what we get for tomorrow. Again, we have a lot of news coming out at the end of the week, and I'm suspecting an inside bar tomorrow. We may get continuation of this sell-off, but I'm suspecting an inside bar. I'll tell you what, my thoughts are an inside bar. But if not an inside bar, I think we're going to break this moving average right here, tag down and make a hammer. So we'll probably open up flat, go down, and then come back up and make a hammer. That's what I'm suspecting for tomorrow. But again, just we don't trade in advance of the market because of what I suspect. That just gives me my bias. I'm going to do whatever the market is doing. So I went bearish about mid-morning or so. I saw that drop coming and took advantage of that. But that's about it, man. We just have to ride this out. I mean, ultimately, I think we get our Christmas rally. I don't think we have any big problems. I don't think there's a fundamental breakdown in our economy. I think the economy looks really, really good. I think we're going to show strong jobs numbers. There's growth. There's people buying gifts. Yeah, I mean, there are sob stories all over the place, and a lot of people got hurt from COVID, and obviously increased the wealth divide. But for the most part, I would argue that the U.S. economy looks pretty good. I think we're going to do all right and keep moving on. Also, the Moderna CEO said a few things that are being construed as negative. But anyway, that's it. I mean, not much more I'm going to go into. Typical trading, down day stuff. Interest rates came down. VIX has gone up. But that's what happens in a time of volatility. We just got to ride this out. So don't panic. Keep picking away at the things you like. Stay off leverage. And, just make sure you're just at peace when you trade. So I appreciate you stopping by. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. I'll probably be streaming on the 2nd. I think I could get all my issues resolved by the 2nd, get into an area where I can get some good internet access. Again, subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll know when I'm up and running. And hit the like; it goes a long way. Leave some comments and let me know what you think of my little morning meetings and end of the days. And if there's anything you want to know, just leave it in the comment, and I'm happy to look at it for you for the following day. So I appreciate everything, and good luck trading.